who rises strong, who gets their asses kicked on a regular basis and they get back up with more tenacity and courage just in the course of a day? That was my question. So the very first answer I had, creatives. And it was a weird mix. It's creatives, special forces, veterans, people who just, you have to rise because it's part of your job. And so the thing that when you're a creative, every day you wake up, you walk into the dark. Every day you do this with your life and your work, and you show us something that you've made and something that you've done and something that's important to you. And it never goes well every time. But it's your job to either dismiss the feedback that's just hurtful and not going to be helpful, or bring in the feedback that's helpful and to get back up. You have to get back up for a living.
Every day.